Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the CFA exam. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and curriculum for your specific level. Next, develop a realistic study schedule, aiming for at least 300 hours of study per level. Consistency is key, so try to dedicate a few hours each day. Make sure to use the official CFA Institute materials as your primary resource. To truly master the material, focus on understanding the underlying concepts rather than rote memorization. Practice is crucial. Take plenty of mock exams under timed conditions to improve your speed and accuracy. Regularly review your weaker areas and challenging topics. Consider forming a study group to discuss difficult concepts and gain new perspectives and solidify your knowledge. On exam day, prioritize getting a good night's sleep and eating a nutritious meal. Arrive at the test center well in advance, ensuring you have all necessary identification and approved calculators. During the exam, manage your time effectively. Don't dwell too long on one question, make an educated guess and move on. Answer every question, as there is no penalty for incorrect answers. After the exam, take some time to relax and reflect on your performance. Regardless of the outcome, you've gained valuable knowledge. If you pass, congratulations. Consider joining a local CFA society to network with other professionals. If not, analyze your results to pinpoint areas for improvement for your next attempt. And hey, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some great leak-proof containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.